Best Viber privacy settings to keep your chat safe. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. And as you're logged into your account, tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select on the settings option. So here, simply select on the privacy option. Now, under privacy, what you simply need to do is select on share online status. So if you do not want to share it, you can simply toggle off the option and you can toggle off the send seen status as well. So this will just set off and hide others seen status from you, and it will also change or not show other people that you're online or not. Next is you can simply toggle off the option to show your photo to other users who are not in your contacts to see your profile picture. Next, what you can do is tap on two-step verification, where you can simply get a verification email by Viber and you just have to enter a PIN code to secure your account in a better way. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.